Georgia, I think you had this one yesterday, but I thought there was a number that was incorrect. I think I was talking to you about it. Did you take both sides times 2?
No, I did not.
You divided that by 2,
Yep.
which is fine. I'm going to take everything times 2.
Alright.
2's over here will cancel. I like that. Right side times 2. Going to subtract 6x from both sides. Get x plus 6 is less than or equal to 4. Subtract 6. And I'm looking for all the numbers that are less than or equal to -2, which just are those two.
I thought it, wait, not C?
Not C. -1 does not work.
It worked.
Shouldn't.
But
You could try it. Let's check it. -1 plus 6, or -7 plus 6, -1, that's -1/2. Is -1/2 less than -1?
no.
It is not. No, -1 does not work. Question number 2. Same type of question, you just solve. Again, I would take everything times 2. What do you got for an answer there, Caleb?
I got B.
B is what I got as well. Anytime you see this, guys, see this symbol here, it's going to be one of these two. It's not going to all of a sudden grow an equal sign. So anytime you see that, you can eliminate some choices. Yes.
If you find out what X is, would you just assume X is on the left side and then that symbol would just stay the same?
No, because sometimes it flips. There's a rule that'll make it flip.
So how would you know then if it was B?
You'd have
What
to
if
solve
was-
it.
What if it was 1/2 is greater than X? Which side do you know which is on which?
You'd have to solve it. Whatever you get for an answer, you'd match it up with the correct symbol. I mean, they could write that one backwards. That has nothing to do with it. They could have written it like that.
Yeah.
As long as the alligator is still eating the X. Question number 3. I thought this was the toughest one. We kind of discussed this a little bit yesterday. Greatest common denominator of 3 and 4 is 12. So I'm going to take everything times 12. I'm going to start with that 5 just so I don't forget it. 5 times 12. The 4 and the 3, or 4 and the 12 cancel to 3. 3 times -10. 3 times x. And the 3 and the 12 cancel over here. 3 goes into 12 4 times. So I'm actually taking the right side times 4. And notice how that gets rid of the denominator.
How'd you get like row fractions?
That's the whole point of taking it times a
I
number.
so bad.
Okay, I'm going to combine these two. And now it's just a matter of solving. I'm going to subtract 3x from both sides. Add 20. And divide by 25. Again, I like to rewrite it with the variable first. Anything less than or equal to 2, again, that is the question that will
Wait, what is the?
Yeah.
be the most difficult
Why
thing.
did you change the symbol at the end?
The alligator is still eating the 2. I just like to write the variable first. Yes.
How do you get 50? Because when did you add 30?
I added 20.
What is it, a -30?
Nope, that's a pot. Oh, no, I combined these two to give me that. All right, question 4. What do you think on that one?
I got it.
Does the solution to this help? How does it help?
X is greater than 6.
Yeah, well, you know that it's going to be 6. All it's going to change is the symbol. All right, you're going to get x is greater than 6. So does it help? Yeah, you do the same steps. You get the same answer. It's just a different symbol. Question number 5. 2 of these. Nope, I lied. I was going to say 2 you could eliminate right away, but you can't. Combine the x's, subtract 6x. I'm going to subtract 7 as well at the same time. I get x is less than 3.5. So once you solve, that should become pretty apparent. D is correct. Question number 6, we started on that one yesterday. Got to this point and stopped. Y is -4, that's only half of your answer. You don't know what x is, you gotta figure it out. So let's plug that back in. Let's go to the bottom one, just for fun. You get 7x, 3 times -4, y is now -4, 3 times -4 is -12. Add 12, divide by 7. So there's your point. They will cross at 6, -4. Number 7, as long as you can write the equations, I think you could use Desmos on this. Nickels and quarters add up to 27. It says there's 27 of them. And then the value, well, a nickel is worth 5 cents. So I guess I'm going to use the decimal. Quarter is worth 25 cents to get a total of $2.75. So those are your two equations. Plug them into Desmos, see where they cross. And you get what? 20 and 7?
20 and 7?
Yeah, is that right?
Yeah.
Wait, but I thought it was 27 nickels.
27. I think it means he has 27 nickels and quarters combined.
What? So then how do you,
So they got to equal 27.
so then the 2.75 should be 27?
Oh, I thought it was saying.
We have a total of 27 coins. They value $2.75.
So what would you put into Desmos then? Like
I'd
what?
put the equations.
Oh, that, I forgot that.
Question 8. How many solutions does it have? Well, I'm going to solve them both for y because that will tell me. There's the top one solved for y. I'm going to bring the 3y over. I'm going to subtract 2x. And I'm going to divide by 3. What do you think?
It's
Infinite. They're the same exact equation. Again, just by staring at these two, probably not going to see that. Question 9. Tim, what do you got for that one? I have 3.
I have A.
Yep.
D.
Yep.
And E.
I got F. For sandwiches.
Can you explain like each of them?
I need at least 16 people, so it's got to be greater than or equal to. That means 16 or more people. Sandwiches, 2 people per sandwich. It's kind of what they are envisioning. So 2 sandwiches per person. And sandwiches cost $3 each, so how many sandwiches can I buy and still stay under budget? That's why it's less than or equal to.
Why is it 3? Oh, it's $3.
$3, yep. Question number 10, write at least 2. Hopefully you did at least 2. No more than 20 hours, so less than or equal to 20 hours. H represents hours. It does say to say what the variables mean. Anybody else got one?
No more than 323.
No more than 320. That would be hours times how much I get paid. Maximum. That'd be less than or equal to 320. This would be my pay. Hours. Pay rate.
What would you do for the?
My rate is going to be at least, so I'm either getting $8.75 an hour or more. There's another one. Says at least two, there's three.